broken. It's unique. Today I'm gonna make the Taiwanese very popular, famous deep fried chicken. It's called 咸酥鸡. So today the main ingredients is, of course, is chicken. Can you see that? Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I will marinate them. I will use the spring onion. Sorry, I broken this. And the garlic. And some seasoning. Of course, important things here. Cooking oil, soy sauce, Chinese fried spice, and salt, pepper, and some sugar. Yeah. And then I gonna, before that I already cut the chicken, so it's easy. So when you cut the chicken, it depends how big you want, but I cut in chunky size. It's like this size. And then we're gonna smash the garlic, take off the skin. You're gonna smash this one as well. Okay, after smash the garlic and spring onion, we put into the chicken all in. And now I'm gonna put all the spice and the soy sauce, cooking 1, 2, 3, around 3 or 4 spoons, because I prepare like 2 kilos of the chicken. So, and now it's for the wine. 1.5. Then I will just give the massage first. Have a look. It's all the sauce. Yeah, it have a little bit color. That's good. And then I will keep going. Put like pepper, white pepper, black pepper, some black pepper. White pepper, salt. Don't need to put too much salt because you already put the soy sauce, so it will be too salty. So, and then we need to put some sugar in. The egg is not necessary, but my personal, I want to put 1 egg inside. And okay, I can use one. This onion, you can open it because in the onion inside have like a kind of the spice. I don't know, have some kind of liquid. It's juicy. I'm not sure what is the name in English, but that one will give you a chicken little bit flavor. It's like why we just smash that and the garlic as well. Then the last important thing is this 5 spice Chinese. So now we're gonna put like normally in Taiwan we put like sweet potato starch, but in here sometimes you cannot find because it's import. So we just use normal pan flour. I will put here. Then we put all our chicken. Now I'm gonna teach you guys how to check the oil is ready, can deep fry our chicken. So you put some like spring onion, put down like this one. Need to take a little bit time. It's not ready, so the oil need very hot.
Second try.
Yep. Almost there.
Third try. Yeah, it's ready.
Like a swimming in the oil. You also can try this one, like this. It means the oil is already hot enough. And then put the chicken in. As you can see, all the bubble will be reducing, and so it means the meat inside is already cooked. So now we can take it out now. I will put the seed to strain the extra oil. Finally, I finished all the deep fries in the chicken. And thank you for watching. I'm gonna try this one now. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.